California, December 21st, 2025.
One right after the other.
It started with rain, but within hours, entire streets in California were underwater. Cars stalled, roads vanished, and for some residents, there was no way out. Over the past 2 days, powerful storm systems fueled by atmospheric rivers have unleashed relentless rainfall across large parts of California. In Northern California, neighborhoods were inundated as water poured through streets and yards, overwhelming drainage systems that had no time to recover. In Redding, emergency officials confirmed at least one fatality as floodwaters spread rapidly through residential areas.
Did we just become a...
Look at that. Hell yeah. Man, it's all the way down there. You can see one right after the other.
As water levels climbed, emergency crews launched dozens of rescues. Vehicles were overtaken mid-road. Homes filled faster than residents could react. Some people climbed to higher floors. Others waited on rooftops and watching the water rise below them. Police and fire crews worked through the night, responding to calls from stranded motorists and families trapped inside flooded homes.
Right here off of Parsons and Bocelli in Redding. We got this little thing happening. Oh shit, this is look, the sidewalk's right there.
Major roads and intersections, including sections of Interstate 5, became impassable. Floodwater cut off travel routes, forcing authorities to urge residents to stay off the roads. Even experienced drivers were caught off guard. Standing water concealed deep currents, turning ordinary streets into dangerous traps.
Something's going on down here. I can't get out of here. I'm stuck.
Meteorologists say the flooding is being driven by a persistent atmospheric river, a narrow but powerful corridor of moisture streaming in from the Pacific Ocean. In just a short time, several inches of rain fell across northern and central California, saturating the ground and swelling rivers and creeks beyond their normal limits. Once the soil could absorb no more, the water had nowhere to go, except through homes and streets.
Right below my home. Thank God I'm up on a hill.
Right here off of Parsons and Bocelli. And we got people still coming this way. We got one stuck in the road over there. But holy shit, look at that.
In Placer County, rising water near the South Yuba River forced evacuations as conditions deteriorated. Emergency teams assisted residents in leaving before flood levels climbed even higher. In mountain communities near Truckee, rescue crews responded to reports of people trapped by floodwaters, as runoff from higher elevations accelerated into valleys below.
Incoming call.
Flood watches remain in effect across a broad stretch of Northern California, including Sacramento and the San Francisco Bay Area. Officials warn that the danger is not limited to rural regions. Urban areas with overwhelmed drainage systems are also facing recurring street flooding, especially as more rain continues to fall. Smaller creeks and unregulated waterways remain especially vulnerable.
Did we just become a...
I get speed now, boy.
Forecasters say the storm pattern is expected to shift southward, bringing heavy rain and flooding risks to central and southern California in the coming days. Southern regions, including Los Angeles, could experience significant rainfall during the holiday period, raising concerns about mudslides, power outages, and dangerous driving conditions. With the ground already saturated, even moderate rain could trigger new emergencies.
Yo. You guys can hang out at mine. I'm close to here. Kind of meant. Oh.